So let's say, for example, you want to go ahead and let your users pick a color and submit it out to you. So for that, you can go ahead and utilize something called the Color Picker widget. So to do that, you can click on Add Element, and then you can go to Widgets right here, and then you can go ahead and type in color, and here you can see that there's different Color Picker widgets. For example, there's a Color Picker widget right here. There's Simple Color Picker, as you can see right here. There's a Fantastic Color Picker, as you can see. There's Advanced Color Picker right here. So different Color Picker widgets, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around over here, you can see like you can even add in a default hex color. You got a Simple Color Picker right here with a preset of colors right here. There's hex code as well. There's more of a visual color picker, and you got like Advanced Color Picker right here, and you can even allow manual entry. So let's just go ahead and see how these color pickers actually work when someone is filling it. So for this color picker right here, they can go ahead and choose one color, or they can go ahead and add in the hex color as well. You can go to Advanced, change the hue, and then add the lightness, saturation, and select this out, and that particular color's hex code will be displayed right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can see that you can go ahead and use the Simple Color Picker right here, which actually goes ahead and gives you just a certain color choice. Apart from that, you got the Wheel Color Picker, which allows you to go ahead and use the hue wheel, and then you can click and drag out and see this out right here. And then you got this type of a color picker as well, where you see a range of spectrum, and you can click and drag to select a color right here, just like this. So these are the different color picker widgets that you can actually go ahead and use so that your users can submit a particular color from Jotform while submitting their form. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.